Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the February Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month. It includes 4 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, embellishments. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip on that when you unbox or you create. You'll also receive access to 4 recipe cards. These are double-page layouts designed by our design team. So they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. Also, as a subscriber, you get access to a free cut file. These are designed by Cut to You. This month is this awesome True Love cut file, so you can use it with your kids. We also have lots of inspiration over on the blog and the Facebook group, so be sure to join us over there. So this month, our 4 collections are Countryside from 49th and Market. We have My Valentine from Cartabella, Cupid Sweetheart from Photoplay Paper, and Simple Vintage Winter Woods from Simple Stories. So we have a wide variety of themes this month. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection is Countryside from 49th and Market, and this is just a gorgeous collection. Look at those bright yellows with touches of red, and it's just got little country theming through it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of coconut cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one called Sunset Bloom. All of these are like perfect background pieces just the way they are. It's gorgeous florals and the bumblebees. The back is a chicken wire print with text and some watercoloring. This one is called Gaggle, and it has a gaggle of geese here. There's more sunflowers and butterflies, the gingham. The back is a red and white gingham with text and distressing. This one's called Golden Fields, and it's another yellow gingham with text and yellow sunflowers on the sides, with the back newspaper print with some green watercoloring on it. These papers are all super heavy cardstock weight. For your embellishments, you're going to receive some ephemera pieces and some chipboard pieces. So the little geese and the butterfly is chipboard, this one and that one, this little piece here, and the rest of these are die cut pieces. So your embellishments will vary, but they're all gorgeous. So that is Countryside from 49 and Market. Our next collection is My Valentine from Cartabella. You're going to start with 2 sheets of snowbound cardstock. Your pattern paper is this gorgeous rose watercolor with the pink and the red background. This one's called Romantic Roses. We have little florals. The back is a white heart on red. That one is called Valentine Blooms. Then we have these little 2x2 little squares with all of your little Valentine sayings. This would be great to create in borders. You could take some leftovers, make some little cards. The back is this green gingham. This one is the 2x2 journaling cards. So one more look at your pattern papers. Your embellishments are 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary, but this is what I got. And then also you'll receive a row of white enamel dots. So that is My Valentine from Cartabella. Our next collection is Cupid Sweetheart from Photoplay Paper. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This gorgeous floral here. I love this. The back is a red linen print. That one is called Valentine Floral. This paper called Candy Crush. Some little music notes on pink. The back is conversation hearts on the black. This paper is called Sweet Sentiments, and it has all of these little sentiments, so you could cut these out like little word labels. The back are all of these yummy cupcakes, macaroons on the pink background. One more look at your pattern paper, so you could just document some sweets with this. Your embellishments is the 12x12 sticker sheet. We have a large scalloped border down here. I love this banner. Then we have some little framed phrases too. That little farm truck, little pom-pom banner, florals, hearts, super pretty. I just love the colors in that. So that is Cupid Sweetheart from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is Simple Vintage Winter Woods from Simple Stories. This is a gorgeous winter collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of quicksand. This paper called Snow Day. Again, it's another perfect background. They've already done all the layering over here. Just add some photos and journaling. The back is this map print and that icy aqua color. Winter Blues is this stripe, and the back is a polka dot on that same brown color. Gorgeous. Then we have a gorgeous wood grain with little snowflakes through it, some text. This paper is called Frosty Friends, and the back is snowflakes on the text. Gorgeous. For your embellishments, these will vary among the kits, but you're going to get one of the chipboard frames. So this is the one that I got. You're going to receive 3 of the brads. So again, those will vary, but that's the ones I received. And then some of the ephemera pieces. So many cute little sayings. Baby, it's cold outside. It's a snow day. And I don't know about you, but we've had a couple already this year. The skates, the ice skates, just gorgeous. So that is Simple Vintage Winter Woods. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out these 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. You can get more cardstock, more pattern paper, and more embellishments. You can also check out our Shots of Life kit, which will give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of fun over there. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.